So be generous in adding. So this abacha is officially ready. The frying method. So the next thing, you add your onion. So we're going to add this dried corn. So I need to remove some because I need to prepare my kanda. So I'll use a prepared kanda. You'll see what I'll do with it later. So next I'm going to add crayfish. So be generous in adding the crayfish. So I'm going to add more cube. One. So now I have to taste. Next thing I add pepper. I almost forgot. It was after I tasted it that I noticed that there is no pepper in this. And main ingredient is coming up. Yeah. Our abacha. Se essa briga vai fazer outra coisa, por favor. Are you seeing that? So I have to reduce the heat now. So whenever you're cooking anything, maybe spaghetti, something that you need to turn and mix together, use this one. I don't know what it's called, but it does the job well. Okay, if you know how to make this very well, you don't need all those tongue this that. Yeah, this is the best way I eat my abacha. I'm avoiding too much oil. That's why you can see that the abacha is dried. It's supposed to have more oil, but this is how I want it because of my health. I don't want cholesterol wahala. Let's taste it. So this abacha is officially ready. So another pan. So you remember the sauce that I put aside. So go ahead and add this onion. So I'll allow it to heat up for some minutes, or like a minute, and then I put it down. So this is 1 minute later. Okay, now pepper is ready. So now fried to before social media people will finish me that I'm using my hand. Hey, As if I'm not the one that made the food. So drag me now.